Guys, Mater 35 here. I'm Breakers, TV Breakers. Guys, thank you so much for joining. It's March 16th, 2016. We're doing 2 boxes, 2015 Topps Chrome. Thank you so much, guys, for... I did it. Thank you so much for joining in on tonight's break. Good luck to everybody. I want to pull something nasty. Nasty. All right, here we go. Good luck. Deep, 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 deep. Nasty. Nasty. Here we go. Box 1. Yeah, Bowman, I do my breaks on eBay. Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing 2 cases of National Treasure football, so hopefully we'll see you guys for that. I'm going to try something crazy. Yeah, Bowman Chrome, I do my stuff off eBay. I don't have time like the other awesome breakers on this site. I was breaking on a different site, and then I just came over to here actually today. So, guys, go ahead and like my page. You know when I go live. So, yeah, I have 2 eBays. Here's one of them. Give me a second, real quick, for you. Chat won't let me drop a link. That's weird. You guys hear me? Let me refresh real quick. That's really weird. It won't let me drop a link. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Yeah, it won't let me drop it. It won't let me drop it. That's hilarious. Yeah, it won't let me drop the link. Crazy. Thank you, Superman. I also go by another one called Mater 35 Breaks. So here we go. Last bet. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. I'm excited. Here we go. Booyah. What are we at? Kevin White, super rookie. Bears. Perryman for the Ravens. And Andrew Luck, Prism. Refractor for the Colts. AJ Green, old school version. Bengals. Refractor. Cam Chancellor, Seahawks. Tyler Lockett, super rookie. Seahawks. Camel coming up. It's not too bad. Carlos Williams on card for the Bills. Congratulations to the Bills. Carlos Williams camo for the Bills. Congratulations. 84.99. There it is. Yeah, it is. It's fully, there's no streaking. Green Beckham. Doral B. Green Beckham refractor. Tightens up. Pink. TJ Yeldon. 22 of 399. Jaguars 2 away from his jersey number. And that's it. Flacco. Ravens. Drew Brees refractor. Saints. Jameson Winston. Rookie. Buccaneers. Mike Davis, super rookie, 49ers. Green, that's pretty cool. Kevin White for the Bears. Todd Gurley, rookie. Danny Shelton for the Browns, refractor. And Blue Prism, refractor, Deshaun Jackson. Camo again, Bryce Petty. Out of 499 for the Jets. And Mike Evans, refractor for the Buccaneers. All right, here we go. DeMarco Murray for the Eagles, refractor. P.J. Williams, green refractor for the Saints. Amari Cooper, rookie, Raiders. Randy Gregory, refractor for the Cowboys. 50th on the road Super Bowl Eli Manning die cut for the Giants. Joe Flacco, black, out of 299, Ravens. Super rookie, Doral Green Beckham. And J.J.I. for the Dolphins, rookie. All right, box 2, here we go. Good luck, guys. Camera's touchy today. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Box 2. Here we go. Wahoo! Last pack. Here we go. All right. Thank you again, guys, for joining in the break tonight. Please subscribe to my eBay, YouTube, and my new channel. Here we go. Thanks again, guys. And Rob. Todd Gurley for the Rams. Insert. And Brennan for the Redskins, refractor. Cam Newton, MVP, Prism refractor. Colin Kaepernick for the 49ers, refractor. Ryan Tannehill, Dolphins. David Johnson, rookie, Cardinals. Right, who do we got? Allen for the Ravens. Jeremy Langford, super rookie, Bears. Kevin White for the Bears, rookie. Green, Collins, Cowboys. Amir Abdullah for the Lions. Let's see if Funches. Murray Blue Prism Refractor Raiders. And Alfred Morris Camo. $4.99 for the Redskins. All right. Here we go. Tony Romo Refractor, Cowboys. Telvin Coleman Super Rookie for the Falcons. TJ Yeldon. I think this is variation out of 75 for the Jaguars. Not a bad hit. Variation. On sticker, though. 2 of 75. Not too bad for the Jaguars. Congratulations. TJ Yeldon. I think he's going to be a beast. Superman. I think he's going to be a beast. I do. Kevin Johnson Refractor. Texans. Devin Smith for the Jets. Roger Staubach Prism. I'm sorry, Refractor. I don't want to say Prism. Teddy Bridgewater Refractor for the Vikings. And last stack, guys. Thank you so much for joining. David Johnson Super Rookie. Green. Lamar Miller Dolphins. Cameron Artis Payne Refractor. There's the Dave Funches, but not autograph for the Panthers. Roger Staubach 50th Cowboys. Pink coming up. That's pretty good pink. Devontae Parker, $3.99 insert. He's another guy I think he's going to be a beast for the Dolphins. Troy Polamalu retired for the Steelers. And that's it. Guys, let's do a recap real quick. Thank you so much for joining in the break. Here we go. Not too bad. Seen better. Seen worse. TJ Yeldon out of 75. Carlos Williams. Camo out of 99. Guys, Made 35, your BoxBusters.tv just completed. Not BoxBusters, sorry. Made 35 on TVBreakers.com. Just completed 2-box break 2015 Topps Chrome Football. Guys, March 16th, 2016. Thank you so much for joining. Hopefully we'll see you around. Appreciate you guys' support. For sure, Superman. Thanks, man.